Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Driving along Newfoundland's Route 60 is like stepping back in time, passing through small towns filled with history, stunning scenery, and a deep connection to the land and sea. The journey starts in Marysvale, a quiet little place surrounded by rolling hills and lush greenery. It wasn't always called Marysvale. Before 1919, it was known as Turk's Gut. The name change gave the town a fresh identity, but its history goes back much further. Like many Newfoundland communities, it was shaped by the fishing industry, with families working hard along the rugged coastline. Today, it's a peaceful spot, perfect for those who love the beauty of nature and the charm of small-town life. Continuing along Route 60, the road leads into Colliers, a town with over 230 years of history. The first known settler, James Henderson, came from England and gave the town its unique name. Collier is an old term for a coal miner, which might hint at his background. Long before that, though, Colliers was on the radar of early European explorers. In fact, John Guy and his team once considered it as the site for the first English settlement in North America, before deciding on Cupid's instead. Both Marysvale and Colliers are great examples of Newfoundland's rich past, where small communities have stood the test of time. The drive along Route 60 is more than just a road trip, it's a glimpse into the heart of this beautiful province, where history, nature, and the stories of hard-working people all come together.
Thanks for watching!